What's up guys, welcome back to another video to probably one of the most anticipated topics on YouTube India, which is how do you know if the sneakers that you're buying is real or fake. Now today I'm going to show you how you can do that. As we all know, the replica sneakers are getting better and better by the day. It's really getting difficult to understand the difference between a replica sneaker or an authentic sneaker from the naked eye. The quality of replicas is just getting better by the day. Now to solve this problem, there is only one thing that you and me can do together. That is try to legit check or get our sneakers checked before purchasing or immediately after purchasing whether they are real or not. Now what options do we have to do this is only probably looking for that same exact sneaker on YouTube. Say for example Travis Scott one real versus fake, but not all time you will get the right results and not the right comparisons. Maybe they show some things which signify it's a fake and those things are correct on your shoe. There's some other thing on your shoe which you doubt is not real and that is not shown in such guides. Now to overcome all of this, all we need is a legit checking service. Now I do not personally know anyone who provides such a service in India full time and professionally. I'm not talking about those small time guys trying to help out the people they know by doing legit checks for them. I'm talking on professional, commercial and mass level. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to tell you about an app. Now obviously you must be thinking that oh, this is a promotion or this and that blah 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 shit like that. But if that was the case, then I would have done this long time ago, because there was a pretty famous app that caught up really well globally, but I did not really hear some nice reviews about it. So I dug a little bit deeper and I went in search for some more platforms doing this. Obviously I found a bunch of crap which could not be trusted as much as any other reseller who you buy a sneaker from. So basically I came across this app on Hypebeast. Hypebeast had featured them and this app is called Legit App. Before sharing this with you guys, I tried the app myself personally. So basically the website is legitapp.com. You can find it on iOS as well as Android. So this app can be used for various items like your sneakers, your bags, your collectibles, your luxury designer wear, luxury designer sneakers and couple other things. You can check that out when you go into the app. Also one more thing, talking about the replicas. So a lot of you guys keep DMing me always now and then asking about particular resellers, if they are legit or if they are not legit, if they are selling fakes or are they selling authentic sneakers. But it's not really as easy to answer, because basically these resellers are just middlemen. They also buy sneakers from sellers and then they add their commission on top and sell it to you. Now there might be some resellers who intentionally source and sell fake sneakers, but many a times your trusted reseller, your close friend who is reselling sneakers or who sources a particular sneaker for you might not himself even know that the sneaker is not real. Also some of you guys have sent me photos of your sneakers, and by just looking at that photos I cannot really tell you if it's real or not, because I am not a professional authenticator. So you need to keep in mind, if you need to get your sneakers checked, you need to get it checked from a professional authenticator. So I have pretty much given you basics of how authentication works and how difficult and complicated it can be in most cases. So what I'm going to do now is that I have already installed this app on my phone. So I'm going to pick one of my latest pickups and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how you can use the app with your sneaker to get it legit checked and how easy and fast it can be. So here is my neutral grey 1985 Jordan 1s, which I'm going to use to give you a walkthrough on the Legit app. Alright, so let's go into the app first. So home. So this is how the app opens up. You have your home and couple other features here which I will show you maybe later, or you could find it out yourself. So what's first important is to go to wallet and fill in the tokens that you will need to pay with for legit checking a sneaker. So currently it shows that my token balance is 2. I think that is what you get already when you download the app. So probably I don't need to add anything more, but what we will do is we'll go ahead and add the basic pack of 2 more credits so that I could show you how you can pay. Let's click on this. Here we have the payment method option. Let's go and see what options do we have. We can directly put in our card over here to pay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to use my American Express. I'm going to use my regular Indian credit card and see if that works. Alright, now let me turn on my OTP phone. Like you guys know, all my OTPs come on this phone. Sorry for the trouble. Alright, so the OTP phone is ready. Now let's go ahead and click done. Let's click pay now. Payment confirmation, proceed. I don't think we need to enter the OTP. But ऐसा हो नहीं सकता ना. Oh, it's done. So I guess you didn't even need to enter your OTP and the card works perfectly fine. And then it costed me 1.9 US dollars, which I think is roughly about 140 rupees back. So yeah, so as you can see, I now have 4 legit tokens on my app, because 2 you get free when you download the app and 2 I paid for, so that is total of 4 legit tokens. So by the way, when you buy 2 legit tokens, it costs you about $1.9, which I already told you. So accordingly, you have various other packs, that is standard, premium, pro, for as many tokens, and I think as you go higher you'll get slightly more discount. That's completely your choice. Now let's go ahead and start with the process. Now once you click start, you have all the categories over here. Like I explained before in the video, they do everything, not just shoes. We're going to go into the sneaker section. We're going to go into the Air Jordans. Now I'm going to try and put through my Air Jordan 185, but I cannot see the Jordan 185 here, so I'm going to assume it is a separate category. So I'll come to the other category, and yeah, now here you get 2 options. One is the result within 30 minutes and the other is the result within 12 hours. Now I'm going to choose the 30-minute option, and then I'm going to click on the photo instructions. Now these are the kind of photos I need to click and upload, which is very simple. And as you scroll down, you have the instructions for the photos. Now these are the photos that you need to click and send, upload minimum, and these are some other optional photos that you could do. So I'm just going to put out the minimum photos required and then submit those photos. So let's go with the first one. You have to click on that, place the shoe, and so once that is done, you move on to the next photo. Yes, keep them, and then you have to do the other side of the photo. Now we are going to do save all, and as you can see, all the photos that they wanted are uploaded. Now you can go down, and so all of these are optional things which I'm not going to put right now. Let's see how it goes without that. Any notes to be added? No. If you want, you can put all of these things, but I don't think that is required. So let's just click continue and confirm to pay. So after doing that, in a couple of minutes, I got a notification from the app asking me to upload a couple of additional photos. I'll tell you what were those. So the notification asked me to upload a photo of the label on the box, this label, and also another photo of the stamp that comes inside the box. So I immediately went on the app again and I uploaded both of these photos, and then I kept my phone aside and I thought I'll finish shooting the rest of the video. But in the meantime, in about 4 to 5 minutes more, I got a notification saying that authentication completed. So that's how much time it took. It took only about 10 minutes roughly, because I chose the under 30-minute option. And as you can see on the screen, it says that based on the photos I provided in the app, my sneaker is authentic. And not just that, they also give you a certificate after the authentication is done. So you could use this certificate in case of disputes, if you have any via PayPal or on eBay, or you need to provide some proof that your sneaker is authentic. So this certificate is majorly provided for that, and it comes with every sneaker check that you do via the app. Also, all the sneakers that you get checked on your app remain in the history of your app, and at any given point you can go and download the certificate from there. And yeah, that's about it. So to sum it up, all this is something that I'm sure you and me, we were all looking for. You know what you could probably actually do is, when you meet a reseller or you talk to a reseller about buying a sneaker from him, all you have to do is ask 15 minutes of his time, and you can go to him, you can put the sneaker pictures on the app, get the authentication, and then do a smooth deal with your respective reseller. That's all from me for today. Let me know in the comments below, what do you feel about this video? What do you feel about the app that I have shown to you guys? The links to each app on each platform will be in the description box below. Their website is in the description box below. So yeah, that's all from me for today. See you in the next video. If you're watching till here, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram.